Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss regarding the meaning of industry and types of industry. Industry includes all those activities which are concerned with extraction, production, conversion, processing or fabrication of goods. On the basis of nature of goods, the industries are divided into three parts, that is your consumer goods, producer goods and intermediate goods. Consumers goods are those which are used by consumers. For example, television, refrigerator, cloth, edible oil, etc. Producer goods are those which help in producing other goods. For example, machine, tools, etc. are the example of producer goods. They are also known as capital goods. Now come to intermediate goods. Intermediate goods are in the form of raw material in which are used in producing other goods. For example, steel, copper, crude oil, etc. On the basis of division of industry, industries are divided into three parts, that is your primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. Primary industries includes all those activities which are concerned with extracting and processing of natural resources. Primary industry is divided into two categories, that is your extractive industries and genetic industries. Extractive industries involves extracting goods from natural resources such as land, air and sea. The goods extracted and processed are used in secondary industries. Activities which are included in extractive industries are mining, hunting, fishing, etc. Now come to genetic industry. Genetic means parentage or heredity. Thus, genetic industries include all activities which involve breeding of plants or animals for their use in further reproduction. Activities which are included in genetic industries are plant breeding, nursery, etc. In addition, activities like animal husbandry, dairy farming, poultry farming are the example of your genetic industries. Now come to secondary industries. Secondary industries is concerned with activities which are involve processing materials that have been produced by primary industries. For example, iron ore is extracted at the primary stage, which is processed to manufacture iron and steel in the secondary stage. Secondary industries is classified into two categories, that is your manufacturing industries and constructive industries or construction industries. Manufacturing industry includes those activities which are involved in conversion of raw materials into finished goods. Since manufacturing industries transform raw materials into finished goods, it creates farm utility. Example of manufacturing industries are steel, cement, textile, etc. There are four forms of manufacturing industries which are as follows. Number one, analytical industry, synthetic industries, processing industries and assembling industries. Analytical industries includes activities which are involved in analyzing and separating basic materials into a number of products. For example, petroleum refining is an analytical industry in which crude oil extracted from the earth is processed and separated into number of products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Then number two, synthetic industry. In synthetic industry, two or more materials are mixed together to create a new product. For example, cement. Then process industries. In process industry, raw materials are processed to produce finished goods through a series of manufacturing operations. For example, manufacturing of a textile product used in the ultimate customer is produced through a series of manufacturing operations, that is your spinning, weaving and finishing. Sometimes these stages are undertaken by different business organizations. Then number 4, assembling industries. In this industry, the finished products are produced by assembling various components. For example, television, vehicle are under the category of your assembling industries. We are assembling different parts of the products and we are producing the final products. Then construction industries. Construction industries include those activities which are concerned with constructing building, dams, roads, etc. These activities use material produced by manufacturing industries like cement, steel, marble, etc. A basic feature of these industries is that creates immovable assets. Now come to tertiary industries. Tertiary industries are also known as service industries. So this means some persons helping directly or indirectly to our business, that is provided service to our business. Tertiary industries are your banking, your insurance, your warehousing, your marketing are the example of your tertiary industries. Banking business requires sufficient funds for its operation and for its growth and for its survival, and banking always provided funds to the business according their needs. So the basic function of bank is providing finance to the business as per their needs. It means provided short term, long term or very short term loans to the business or industries according their need. Then come to insurance. The person who undertakes the risks of the business is known as insurance. There are two parties, insurer and insurer. The insurer is the insurance company who undertake the risks of the business against the premium. In this case, if a business suffer any loss, the insurance company will pay the actual loss to the businessman. Then come to warehousing. There is a time lag between production and use of the goods. During this period, goods should be stored safely. Warehousing overcome these hindrances of storage of goods can be stored in a warehouse. Thus, warehousing creates time utility for goods. That means warehousing means the place where we store the goods safely for meeting the future needs of our customers. Then marketing or information. Products may not be able to communicate the positive features of their product to consumers. Similarly, consumers may not be able to know the type of product available in the market. Advertising comes in this picture to remove the hindrance, as it is a tool of mass communication. This is about your tertiary industries and your types of industry, and in next period we have to discuss, that is regarding the role of profit and types of commercial activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.